This is really a thankless job. So what you need to do is just put your heart in it and always think of other people when you create advocacies like Scamwatch Pilipinas and TechWatch PH. Hello, I'm Art Samaniego. I'm the IT head of the Manila Bulletin. I'm the founder of Scamwatch Pilipinas and the founder of TechWatch PH. So I founded Scamwatch Pilipinas to protect people from being scammed online. Actually, I've seen the effect of scams in ordinary Filipinos. So for big companies, for the government, if a scammer attacked them, they could easily come back. Makakabangon yan kagad. Pero when an ordinary Filipino is being victimized by scammers, mahihirapan ang bumangon yan. It affects the family, it affects the community, it affects the individual. So that's why I aim to educate Filipinos on how to protect themselves from being scammed online. So I'm using now the V3 and this is the V5. Mas magaan siya. I think it's, I read the specs, it's more powerful. And of course, compared to other, well, more expensive brands, this has a better battery life. And since I've been using Honor for a long time, your foldable should have a better or the best battery among all the foldables. Kasi anong gagawin mo sa mga features, ang dami features, pero mamamatay kagad yung battery mo. So with the enhanced battery of the B5, hindi na ako nagdadala ng power bank. The battery life is so good. I'm Art Samaniego, and this is the Honor Magic B5.
Honor.